Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A04 smartphone. In this video you will learn how you can change themes in your phone Samsung Galaxy A04. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here, then go to go to themes, and here select available theme. Here if you click on my stuff, only default theme will be showing. This is the theme already you are using. If you want to use other theme, just click on top here and click on all button here, and you will see free option. Just use free and it will be filtered. These are only all free themes. Just select any one. Here I would like to select what? Just wait. I would like to select this theme and click on the theme that you want to set for your phone and click on download. It will be downloaded from the Galaxy store. Just wait. Completing download, and after completing you can click on apply. Yes, click on apply, and a selected theme, that is downloaded theme, is now activated and it is applying to your phone. Just wait. 89, 94, 100% is applying now. And yes, this is the theme for your phone now. Okay, see the changes. Theme has been changed to what I have downloaded from Galaxy store. If you want to set back to default theme, again go to the same settings and go to themes, and here you go to my stuff. Click on featured and click on my stuff, and a downloaded theme now is available here. Also default theme is available, and click on default and click on apply. So in this way also you can change back to default theme in your phone Samsung Galaxy A04. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.